Hi friends, this is quick oil and brake. Today I'm replacing windshield washer tube. This one is the old one. It started leaking from this connector. These are get loose, and I bought it from Amazon, and I already installed over here. And right here I insert a connector. The three-way connector comes with the tube. Before it has this one, and I don't need to replace this one because it's been already leaking. So these are the clips holding a tube, and I already opened. I'm gonna show you over here. If you see, you have to press and click this one, and the same way you have to release this over here to get release. My camera is a little bit blurry. Okay, so from here there's also few of clips. I don't know you can see or not, but there's one here and one over here. So now couple of clips I have to remove. One is right here. Okay. Okay, yeah, you see. So now this one, and now over here, and let me remove this one because it's need two hands. So I'll get back. Okay, as you see, I already connect with the windshield washer pump, the tube, and that goes right over there to over there. Then there's a one, and over here. Then I put this one, and then another one right there. And after right here, so it's already installed the tube. Now I have to cut from here, and then I'm gonna attach, and after I attach I'll show you how this working, and there's no leaking after I fix this one. So now times to check how this works. Okay, beautiful. It's very nice flow, and I hope you like this video. You learned something how to install a windshield washer tube for your vehicle. Almost the same process with other vehicles. If you like it, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for our coming up new videos. Bye bye.